Hello and welcome. The topic with editorial of Hindu today is troubled waters. Troubled waters. It refers to some dispute in the sea. It refers to some dispute in the sea. Some words that I have marked, uh, the words that have been mentioned in this passage and carry some important meanings are words like exploration vessel. It is a ship or vessel for finding or examining unknown areas, uh, usually for finding gas and crude. Maritime refers to sea borders, borders or line of controls in sea area. Dial down refers to reduce or to turn down. Then we have one word group EEZ, exclusive economic zone. This refers particularly to the area of sea in which a country claims to have economic activities. This is away from the coastal areas of that country. So, back to the topic troubled waters. There are some trouble in some sea area or river area. This is what it carries meaning. EU and Turkey should not let tensions in the eastern Mediterranean lead to open conflict. Now, this is the main idea that we'll be looking for in the passage. EU refers to European Union and Turkey is a country. They should not increase tensions. They should not let tensions in the Eastern Mediterranean. Eastern Mediterranean is part of Mediterranean Sea and lead to open conflict. They should not bring about any conflict in the Eastern Mediterranean. Let us see the map over here, given over here. I have attached the map of that area. This is simple. This whole area is Mediterranean Sea. This area is Mediterranean Sea. And the coastlines of this sea are covered by Turkey on this side, Syria on this side, this much. Then we have major area of Egypt over here, Libya over here, Greece is over here, and these are small islands represented by dots. Map. Some of them belong to Greece, some of them belong to Turkey. Then we have one important large island, Cyprus, over here. This Cyprus has an important role to play related to disputes of the borderlines that these different countries stretch in the sea. All these bordering countries stretch their borders into the sea for their economic activities. There is some conflict over it. The European Union is on this side. This is Asian part. This is the west of Asia. The rest of Asia is east of this. Here you have Iraq. Here you have Saudi Arabia. Here you have Jordan. Then Israel. Things like that. So this Mediterranean Sea has a lot many coastal areas of different countries. So with this map in background, let us examine the passage as what it says. The tensions in eastern Mediterranean soared last week with Turkey sending an exploration vessel accompanied by a navy fleet to the disputed waters, and France dispatching warships to assist Greece. So there are two things, two activities mentioned in this opening sentence that has escalated conflict, tensions rather, not the conflict, the tensions for possible conflict. That tension has soared, has increased, has escalated in the last week. What was done so for this to occur? Turkey sent an exploration vessel, a vessel for examining the sea area, for finding something important to them. And that exploration vessel was accompanied by its navy fleet. So, this is one part. And that was sent to the disputed waters, the area of the sea where there was conflict or the clarity of ownership or claims was not clearly demarcated, rather it was under dispute. So this was the first thing, and the second thing is that France dispatched warships to help Greece in the same area. Now, what next? This is the opening sentence. What next? The trigger for the recent hostility between Turkey and Greece, which have historically shared troublesome relations, has been the discovery of gas in Mediterranean waters. So this sentence discloses the actual cause of trouble. The cause of trouble is that there was some discovery of gas in Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean waters, and to claim the right over that discovery, the Turkey and Greece are in conflict, and historically they have been in conflict for the past several years. They are not friends now. They have hostile relations. They have sore relations. They are not in happy relations. So this is how it goes. The EU's plan to transport the gas to its mainland, which would help reduce its dependency on Russia, have raised the region's geopolitical profile. So, European Union has a plan to transport the gas that has been discovered over there in Mediterranean waters. The European Union has a plan to transport that gas to its mainland, so that it has less to import from Russia. So presently they are importing from Russia. Now they want to they want not to be dependent on Russia, and for that they want to transport that gas to their mainland. And this plan is going to change the geopolitical outlay of that area. Geo refers to the land area. The political means the interference of different governments. Turkey and Greece have overlapping maritime claims. What is it? Maritime. Maritime refers to the boundaries in the sea. So Turkey and Greece have overlapping boundaries in the sea, and that is the conflict. That is the point of conflict. Their boundaries are not clearly demarcated. There is a conflict area in the sea. But when EU members and its allies in West Asia and North Africa made plans to build a gas pipeline from Mediterranean to Europe's mainland, they kept Turkey out of it, which infuriated Ankara. that infuriated Ankara. Now, these European Union members, they made a plan uh, along along with its friends in the West Asia, North Africa, but they didn't include Turkey in that, and this was the main cause of trouble with Turkey. This created, this made uh, Turkey government in Ankara to be infuriated, angry, very angry. Earlier this year, the East Med Gas Forum was formed by Cyprus, Greece, Egypt, Israel, Italy, Jordan, and Palestine, and Turkey. And Turkey was again excluded. So, this is what it says, that all countries surrounding that Mediterranean Sea made joint hands to make East Med Gas Forum, and Turkey was excluded from it. Turkey was not included in that forum. But Turkey challenged the pipeline project and reached an agreement with Libya, Tripoli based, which Ankara is backing, to form an exclusive economic zone from its solution shores to Libya's northern coast across Mediterranean. So this is what the game plan Turkey is having against that forum. Turkey joined hands with Libya's Tripoli-based government. Tripoli is the capital, and the two countries joined hands to develop, to claim area of Mediterranean and declare it as exclusive economic zone for their economic activities from southern shores of Libya all across to the uh, Mediterranean. Now, Libya, if we go back to the map, we have Libya over here and Turkey over here. So, these two, if they join uh, each other and demarcate the sea, then this much of the sea gets covered in their control. So this will become an interference for European Union from this side, that is on this, to come over to this place. So this is the game plan. So where were we? Okay. Greece claimed the Turkish zone violated its maritime sovereignty. Now, Greece, of course, has objections against it, and it says that such a declaration of exclusive economic zone would violate its sovereignty. Later, Greece announced its EEZ with Egypt, which clashes with Turkey's zone. Immediately thereafter, Turkey sent its survey ship over. Now, where is Greece and where is Egypt? Let us revisit the map again. This is Egypt. Where is Greece? Greece is here. So, Libya and Turkey are making a boundary like this, and Egypt and Greece are planning to have another. There will be a direct conflict. Okay, no doubt over it. And this made Turkey sent a survey ship over to the place for verification. The highly complicated issue now has the potential to involve Europe, West Asia, and North Africa. So these are likely to be involved in the issue. It is difficult to demarcate the maritime boundaries in the eastern Mediterranean, which is dotted with Turkish and Greek islands. Now, there are lot many Greek and Turkish islands over there in the eastern Mediterranean. So it is very difficult to have a clear-cut boundary in the sea. Cyprus is physically divided with the southern part ruled by internationally recognized government and the northern part controlled by Turkey. So Cyprus, the island, major island in the Mediterranean, has its part controlled by Turkey and the rest of it ruled by internationally recognized government. Turkey's survey ship plans exploration activities around Greece's Crete Islands. So uh, this becomes another issue of conflict. The exploration activities planned by Turkey is on Greece's Crete Islands, which lies just outside Turkey's Libya economic zone. This is located just outside the EEZ declared by Turkey's Libya jointly, and Greece and Cyprus call it a violation of their sovereignty. And for that, Greece and Cyprus call it violation of their sovereignty. So this is a direct point of conflict. France, the EU's most powerful military force, has thrown its weight behind Greece and Cyprus. So France favors Greece and Cyprus. Now an alliance is emerging among Greece, Cyprus, Italy, and France, which is backed by Egypt, Israel, and the UAE. Of these are countries, Israel, UAE, are countries of West Asia. Turkey stands almost isolated but remains a key power in the Mediterranean, which requires the EU to trade cautiously. Now it says that Turkey is quite powerful and has a main role to play in Mediterranean. So Eastern European has to go ahead very cautiously. If the EU wants to transport gas from coast of Israel to Europe via Cyprus and Italy, an open conflict with Turkey cannot help. So this is the issue. If European Union want to go ahead have a peaceful transport of gas across uh, across or from Israel to Europe through Cyprus and Italy, the conflict has to be avoided. This is what the clear message observation of the author is dealt over here. What is in everybody's interest is to dial down tensions and find a diplomatic and mutually acceptable solution to the gas contest. So the gas has to be brought to be independent from Russia, and this tension can create, or this conflict can create a lot of disturbances in the transport. So that has to be turned down before our actual transport is done, and that can be done only with the help of diplomatic and mutually acceptable solutions, not by conflict. Excluding Turkey, which has a long Mediterranean coast, is not wise. So Turkey has a long Mediterranean coast. It would be difficult for others to have a conflict with Turkey. It won't be wise. Allowing a resurgent Turkey to bully small powers in the region would be strategically disastrous. Now, if a conflict is brought forth, Turkey will definitely make a team with smaller countries over there, and that will be disastrous for those fighting. This is analysis of the author. This sentence is analytical and it analyzes the various options or possible outcomes. The EU has to strike a balance between these two options. What are the options? The option is that Turkey, if they exclude Turkey from the team, it won't be wise because they have a long coastal areas. And more so, Turkey building up a team with smaller powers will be disastrous in this case. What else? Else, what else is to avoid to turn down the tension by diplomatic and mutually acceptable solution, by finding a diplomatic and mutually acceptable solution is one of the options. So they have to do both of these things cautiously, so that uh, an acceptable terms for transport of gases gets done, and a peaceful transport is made possible over there. So with this, I close. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.